Are going to love the 2017 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, steel wheels, tires front all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.